Welcome to Digitech Dynamo. In today's video, we'll build an ultrasonic distance measurement system using an Arduino, an ultrasonic sensor, LEDs, a buzzer, and an I2C LCD display. We'll need the following components for this project: Arduino board, ultrasonic sensor, HCSR4, I2C LCD module, 16 by 2, 2 LEDs, a buzzer, some connecting wires, and a breadboard. This system measures the distance of an object using an ultrasonic sensor. Based on the distance, it activates LEDs or a buzzer. If the object is 10 to 20 centimeters away, LED 1 turns on. If the object is 20 to 40 centimeters away, LED 2 turns on. If the object is less than 10 centimeters away, the buzzer sounds. If there's no object, everything remains off. The code initializes the ultrasonic sensor, calculates the distance, and controls the LEDs and buzzer based on the measured values. The I2C LCD displays the distance and the current state of the system. Let's test the system. Watch as the distance changes and see how the LEDs and buzzer respond accordingly. The LCD also updates the distance in real time. That's how you can create an ultrasonic distance measurement system with Arduino. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more exciting electronics and Arduino projects. See you in the next video.